Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our channel. Guys, as promised, we will be showing you guys across the best student accommodations near to your college.
And today we are outside Aaransh by Serenity Hostels. First of all, if you haven't seen our previous video of Serenity Hostels near Christ University, we will drop a link for you in our description. Please go ahead and check that. So Serenity Hostels has two prime properties near Mount Carmel College. Today we will be going through one of them. Both these properties are a 5-minute walking distance from Mount Carmel College.
Guys, without wasting any time, I will quickly give you guys a tour of the rooms, talk about the facilities and the cost. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So guys, we are back again with Melbin, who's the head of properties here at Serenity Hostels.
Hi guys, hi. So welcome Kavach again back to Serenity Hostels. So this is Serenity for MCC basically. So we have two properties here. So this is the first property which is for MCC. So welcome. The main thing which I wanted to talk about Serenity is the safety which we are giving, and for that we have face detections here. So where all the students' faces are detected here, and it will be registered here, and with the face detection only they can enter the hostel. So I'll give you this. I don't have the access here, so security. So this is Serenity by Aaransh, and we have our wardens and reception here. You can see that they are attending parents and students here, and we have the gym area in the right side.
We'll take a tour of the gym, guys. Come.
This is the dining and mess area, so you can have a look on that. The food will be prepared from here.
So Melvin, like how many meals are there here?
Yeah, we do provide 4 times basically. So we have breakfast from 6:30 a.m. and we have lunch, dinner and snacks as well. Alright, and in terms of food, all our foods are in the mix of North Indian and South Indian. Okay, so everyone can.
And the food is all cooked here?
Yeah, everything is cooked. We don't have anything from outside. Everything is in-house in Serenity. That is the main thing.
Okay, great. Come. Alright. Okay guys, now we'll start giving the tour of the rooms. There are 6 different floors here, and we'll have to go by the lift. So catch you guys in a while.
So guys, now we are going to tour the single sharing room.
Guys, right now all the single sharing rooms are booked, but luckily one of the Mount Carmel Girls College student has allowed us to take a tour of a room, so we will be doing that. Come, let's go. Hi, first of all, thank you so much for allowing us to take a tour of the room.
No problem, please come.
Thank you.
Great. Wow, this looks really very nice. I mean, you've maintained it really very well. So guys, this is the single sharing room, and this is the bed, and they have lots of storage beneath it.
So moving ahead, they have a study table, and Hans has put it really well. They also have a fridge, a television, more storage, and also more storage for your books and a mirror. to get a full view in the morning.
Along with that, guys, they have balconies in each of the rooms, and which has an amazing view and looks really very nice. Guys, now we will give you a tour of the triple sharing rooms. Come, let's have a look. Wow guys, the room looks very nice.
It looks so newly made and
Yeah.
so fresh. Like everything here, the furniture and everything looks fresh.
Yeah, it's because this building is newly constructed, and the very good part is that they've got very unique and funky way of storage. Like I'll show you. So behind the bed bags, they have storage to store a lot of things.
But that's not where it ends. So even in front of the bed there is storage, and there is more storage on the side of the bed.
Along with that, they have study tables across. So for all the students, it's super important. And at the same time, behind this, all of these guys are also cupboards for students. So you can store your things here. You can store it on the top as well. So it's great. And then you have individual cupboards here as well. So looks all really very nice, yeah.
So while Kavach was discovering these storages, I discovered something amazing. So there is a mirror that shows me, but also it is a shoe rack. You can keep all your heels and all your footwear just like it's a walk-in wardrobe. Moving on, let's see their bathroom. So it's a very spacious bathroom. We have the shower, the WC, and the wash basin. So now we are going to tour their double sharing room. Now this room was also occupied, but these girls had gone for vacation, so now we are going to go see their room. We have taken their permission beforehand.
Yes. Come, let's go. Okay, so guys, on the left is the washroom. I'll quickly give you guys a little sneak peek inside. Yes. And this is their double sharing room. One of the best parts that I've liked is that all the rooms are very spacious here. They have study tables, 2 beds. There's a lot of storage. A great part, guys, that they have is that they have fridge, TV and AC in each of the rooms here. Even though in Bangalore it doesn't get very hot, but sleeping in AC is great. And just like again, storage, study table, everything is super good. And just like I said, the building is very new, so looks very good. So guys, we are currently on the terrace garden of Serenity Hostels. The weather is amazing because obviously it's Bangalore, and this area is accessed by all the students, and they have these outdoor seatings here and the benches there. You can see Melbin working. Hi Melbin. This looks really very nice.
It is very aesthetic, and you can literally see all of Bangalore from here, all the main parts.
Yeah.
There is Shangri-La there.
Along with that, guys, like we said that this property is very close to Mount Carmel College. There you see Shangri-La's building, and just neighboring to that, that is MCC, Mount Carmel College. So just almost opposite. In the evenings when the lights are on, this area will look lit AF, right?
Yes, it looks amazing. Even now without the lights, it looks so good. Finally, we are at the end of our tour of Serenity Hostels. And I know you guys might be waiting patiently to know the costing.
Guys, but before we talk about the cost structure for Serenity Hostels near Mount Carmel College, I want to ask Melvin, like, what all facilities are included here?
Yes, in terms of facilities, like all the Serenity hostels, we have Wi-Fi in each room. Okay, TV we have with cable connections, and refrigerator we have. Everything in terms of food also, I already spoke. Yeah, 4 times food we'll be getting, and yeah. When it comes to laundry, we have washing machines, and if at all you want to give it for laundry, we have an invoice laundry. They will come and take your clothes, and in 1 day's time they will give it back.
Perfect. That's it. And what about the cost? Like, what's the cost for triple sharing, double sharing, and single sharing?
So when it comes to 3 sharing, it will be 19,500 in this area, and 2 sharing it will be 23,000, and for single occupancy, which is already full, it's 30K.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, 19,500 for triple sharing per month, 23,000 for double sharing per month, and 30,000 is single sharing per month. But that rooms are already sold out for the next year as well.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, great. And how can they go about booking the property?
Yeah, for the booking, we have online booking as well. From our website, you can have you can fill a form and get it, and we will have a call on that. Our team will call, admin team will call you.
Okay.
Or else you can give the number in the description.
Fine.
And you can get it done.
Perfect. So guys, I will be putting down all the details regarding Serenity Hostels in the description below. Their contact numbers, website detail, all of that. So you guys can reach out to them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you like this video, please smash the like button.
Please share it with your friends to let them know about this beautiful property here. Also, leave a comment below if you have any queries for us to answer. We will try and get back to you.
Yeah, and I would really like to thank Melbin for allowing us to take a tour of the property. He's always been very, very kind to us.
I'll be seeing you from the other video.
Yeah, soon. Sure. Thank you guys. Take care. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.